Welcome to SumTime04. Today we're working with page 15 and the lesson is called Percentage 12. We're going to talk about bulk discounts. Often when you buy a lot of something, you get a discount. That's what bulk discounts means. Look at Henry's hen house. Henry sells his eggs for different prices. If you buy one egg, it costs you 50 cents. If you buy half a dozen eggs, they'll cost you $2.70. If you buy a dozen eggs, they'll cost you $5. If you buy 2 dozen eggs, they'll cost you $9.50. And if you buy 5 dozen eggs, they'll cost you $21. Obviously, there are different prices for buying in bulk. If one egg costs 50 cents, how much do you save if you buy a box of 6 eggs? Let's work it out. One egg costs 50 cents. So 6 eggs would be 6 times 50, which is 300. 300 cents is the same as $3. But if you buy a box of eggs with half a dozen eggs in it from Henry, you only pay $2.70. So how much do you save? You save 30 cents. What percent is the saving? 30 cents, that's 0.30, over $3, that's 3.00, is the same as 1 over 10, because 10 times 30 cents becomes $3. So the saving is 10%. Now then, imagine you need 10 eggs. What's the best way of buying them? If you buy 10 single eggs at 50 cents, how much do you pay? Well, 10 times 50 is 500. 500 cents is the same as $5. If you buy a dozen eggs in a box, now I know you only want 10, but you could buy a box with a dozen in and get 2 extra eggs. How much does Henry charge? Well, he charges $5. You have the choice. You can either buy 10 single eggs at 50 cents, which makes $5, or you can buy a box of 1 dozen eggs, that's 2 extra eggs, for $5 too. I think I'd buy the box, wouldn't you? Now then, if I buy a smaller box with only half a dozen eggs in it, how much does that cost? $2.70. So I can get 6 eggs for $2.70. But I wanted 10. So I have to buy 4 eggs at 50 cents. How much is that? That's $2. If I add those two prices together, I get $4.70. So the best way is to buy 1 half dozen box and 4 loose eggs. That's the cheapest way of all. That's all for now. Bye.